Hi everybody, I'm Ms Britt from the Ridgewood Public Library, and I'm here today to read you some stories about eating. See, I've got some apples up there. We're going to do some apple rhymes as well. How about we start off with our hello song? Can you join me? We'll clap. Hello everybody, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello everybody, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Hello to the boys, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello to the boys, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Hello to the girls, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello to the girls, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Hello to the grown-ups, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello to the grown-ups, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Great job. Okay, my first book is Tony Barone Loves Macaroni, and this is by Lucy Cravato. Well, the illustrations are by Lucy Cravato, and the author, or the person who wrote the words, is Marilyn Sadler. Tony Barone loves macaroni. Tony Barone, he loved macaroni. He ate it with butter. He ate it with cheese. He ate it for breakfast. He ate it at noon. Then he ate it for dinner with a big serving spoon. Oh, Mamma Mia, cried Nonna Sophia. I cooked lasagna. I roasted potatoes, I fried zucchini, and sliced ripe tomatoes. No, Nonna, please, just macaroni and cheese. Nonna made oodles of other good noodles, so she served Tony spinach and cannelloni. No, Nonna, please, just macaroni and cheese. Nonna cooked penne with tomatoes and cheese, bow ties with broccoli, and spaghetti with peas. No, Nonna, please, just macaroni and cheese. Nonna served rotini and meat tortellini, ravioli with yam, and rigatoni with ham. What do you think he's going to say? No, Nonna, please, just macaroni and cheese. One day, Tony Barone, who loved macaroni, who ate it with butter, who ate it with cheese, who ate it for breakfast, who ate it at noon, who ate it for dinner with a big serving spoon, knew just what he wanted to eat. Enough macaroni, enough cheese. How about pizza with tomatoes and peas? Now Tony eats pizza for breakfast. He eats pizza at noon. He eats pizza with peas by the light of the moon. The end. Good listening, everybody. Great job. How about we sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat? Can you get in your boats? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Twist, twist, twist your boats gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Bounce, bounce, bounce your boats gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Sway, sway, sway your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Tickle, tickle, tickle your boat gently down the stream. Tickle, tickle. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Good job. Very good. And then how about we do Itsy Bitsy Spider? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good job. Okay, my next book is called Should I Share My Ice Cream? This is by Mo Willems. I love Elephant and Piggy. Should I share my ice cream? Ice cream, get your cold ice cream for a hot day. Oh boy, ice cream. One ice cream, please. Here you go. Oh boy, I love ice cream. Wait, Piggy loves ice cream too. Piggy is my best friend. Should I share my ice cream with her? Should I share my awesome, yummy, sweet, super great, tasty, nice, cool ice cream? Maybe Piggy does not like this flavor. Sharing a flavor Piggy does not like would be wrong. I will eat the ice cream. Wait, Piggy will like this flavor. It is very yummy. I will share my ice cream. It will not be easy. Hey, Piggy is not here. She does not know I have ice cream. I will eat my ice cream. Where is Piggy? What if she is sad somewhere? I must find her. When I do, I will say, would you like some of my ice cream? Then she will say, thank you, that would cheer me up. Then I will give her my ice cream to share. Yum! Then my best friend will be happy. I will do it. I will share my plop ice cream. What happened? It's on the ground. It melted and fell. No! Now Piggy cannot have any of my ice cream. Now I cannot have any of my ice cream. I blew it. Who's coming? You look sad. Would you like some of my ice cream? Thank you. That would cheer me up. Yum. That was not my plan. Oh well, this works too. The end. Good listening, guys. Good job. I love Elephant and Piggy. They're some of my favorites. Okay, how about if we do, if you're happy and you know it? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, peekaboo, peekaboo. If you're happy and you know it, peekaboo, peekaboo. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, peekaboo, peekaboo. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. Good job. Okay, now let's do our counting rhyme with apples. Can you show me 5 fingers? 5 little apples lying on the floor. I'll roll one away, and that left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little apples hanging on a tree. I'll pick one off, and that leaves 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 little apples. I know what to do. I'll put one in my pocket, and that leaves 2. 2 little apples sitting in the sun. I'll pick one up, and that leaves 1. 1 little apple waiting in my lunch. I'll eat it up with a crunch, crunch, crunch. Good job. Very good. Thank you so much for joining me today for our eating stories and songs. And I hope that you have an excellent day. I'm going to wrap up with the goodbye song, so maybe you can join me for that one. My hands say thank you with the clap, clap, clap. And my feet say thank you with the tap, tap, tap. Clap, 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 tap, tap, tap. I turn myself around and say goodbye.